The aircraft carrier USS Nimitz, CVN 68, conducts fuel replenishment alongside Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyer USS Gridley, DDG-101, in the U.S. 7th Fleet Area of Responsibility, in past day. USS Nimitz, CVN 68, sailed west through the Singapore Strait Monday, bound for the Indian Ocean, according to ship spotters. The carrier is sailing to the Middle East, a defense official told USNI News. The Washington-based carrier was already scheduled to sail to U.S. Central Command to eventually relieve USS Carl Vinson, CVN 70, which deployed in mid-November and will need to head home soon. Nimitz was operating in the South China Sea last week, according to the USNI News Fleet and Marine Tracker. As of Monday morning, Vinson is operating in the Arabian Sea with the cruiser and 3 destroyers that make up the Vinson Carrier Strike Group. Nimitz's transit through the Singapore. Nimitz is currently underway in the U.S. 7th Fleet Area of Operations on a scheduled deployment, demonstrating the U.S. Navy's unwavering commitment to a free and open Indo-Pacific. USS Nimitz is a supercarrier of the U.S. Navy, and the lead ship of her class. One of the largest warships in the world, she was laid down, launched and commissioned as CVN 68 but was later redesignated CVN 68, nuclear-powered multi-mission aircraft carrier, on June 30, 1975 as part of the fleet realignment. Nimitz was homeported at Naval Station Norfolk until 1987, when she was relocated to Naval Station Bremerton in Washington State, now part of Naval Base Kitsap. Following her refueling and complex overhaul in 2001, her homeport was changed to Naval Air Station North Island in San Diego. The homeport of Nimitz was again moved to Naval Station Everett in Washington State in 2012. In January 2015, Nimitz changed homeport from Everett back to Naval Base Kitsap. Nimitz is now the oldest American aircraft carrier in active service.